I just asked Jet to say hello. A little dog was passing by and I said, wave hello. And he blew it a kiss. The dog went past and Jet went, cutie. I've been at a baby shower all morning and Jet's been hanging out with some of his friends, which was nice. He had a morning with one of the husbands and hit their kids while we went to the baby shower, which was really fun. Yeah, do you want to go to the slide? We're just going to the playground for a very quick run around because it is freezing, but we needed to get out of the house. But yeah, so it was a really nice morning at the baby shower. I'm just feeling knackered because I keep going to bed really late because Henry's away. I keep staying up working and watching TV and stuff and not going to bed, which is just very silly. So I'm pooped today. But yeah, off for a little walk. It's an aeroplane. An aeroplane, yeah. We didn't last long at all at the park. It's so cold. Freezing today, isn't it? Is it very cold? Yeah. Have you had a nice day? You having some tuna pasta?
Yeah.
Eating it up nicely with some spinach.
Okay.
Say hi.
Ah.
Hi. You're a bit stinky. Have you done a poo? Lucky mummy. So we both came back this evening in slightly bad moods. But he's had some dinner and I've had a bit of mulled wine. And now we're better, aren't we? Are you happy now you've had some food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it nice? Tuna pasta? Did you have a banana?
No.
Nana.
No.
Yeah, you like nanas, don't you? Who eats bananas?
No.
Do monkeys eat bananas?
Yeah.
What do monkeys say? The first time today we're at the checkout. The guy behind the till said to Jet, oh, you're having a new brother or sister soon. It's like, oh, bold. I feel like the rule is supposed to be that, you know, unless you see the baby coming out, don't say anything. But I obviously look pregnant enough. Can you find the horse? I think today is the closest that I've come to feeling like I could fail Vlogmas. I think this morning was really nice. This afternoon's been quite quiet. We're both missing Henry. But it's the last trip away before Christmas, so I'm just trying to remember that. It's just the weekends, it's so weird. It's funny because my life isn't really any different, whether it's the weekend or the week or like the week. I feel like this lighting is horrible, sorry. Yeah, it's not really very different, but like psychologically, I don't know, you just feel more aware that they're away. I think everyone's having like family time, and he's back on Wednesday, which would be nice. And then we've got some fun things planned next week, which will be good for Vlogmas. Me and him are going on a surprise trip away, which I'm excited about. I didn't know anything about it until a few days ago, and Jet is staying with my parents for 2 days, and we're going away somewhere, which will be fun. I'll obviously take you along. Bath time. Jet, show mummy where's the bath. Let's go to the bathroom. What are you doing? I wish I could show you Jet right now. He is butt naked other than the tattoo that's still on his arm and his socks that are pulled up, and is doing some very interesting, oh I'm going to need to turn so that he doesn't come in the shot, and he's doing some very interesting kind of ballet arabesque type poses with his leg up in the air. You having fun then, naked Nunu? Look at Jet in his fresh pajamas. Look at you. Hey, looking so cute. You want this one? Yeah? Okay.